blood clot DJ from a shot at selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know, man. The Dan back in our lab. Anytime Dan in our lab, that's what we are do. We are cook up. No big food. Just, hey, what go on? Yeah, man, we're there with Prince Swanny and Major 7, one of them street life. It's been a minute since we listened to the Swan Dan, you know. Trinidad, I'm back. Turn me up. Hit the like, turn me up. You know, we're back with the reaction, Trinidad. You see me? I say, we're there with Prince Swanny, Major 7 street life. I'll check it out on Sweet Dog. I do it right now. You see me? Now all the vibe. Let's hit the like button, you know. You see me and say road to 10K, you know. You see me and say, yeah man, hit the like button, hype the video up. You already know what time it is. Let's get it. I'll be streaming and shit. Check out game, all type of stuff. We'll be gaming, talking about music. So join the live, you never know what go on. You see me and say, let's get it.
Rest in peace, Brad Shaka and Kyle.
So Brad Shaka and Kyle, who that? What go on?
Yo, Moose.
Swan Dan!
You know,
Street life.
one that God chose.
What do you mean? Oh, that Catholic church, I put on here. Want you? I can't guys, man. Put him on ice hot, man.
Me know it's God from a rhyme. Watch my life turn wrong, so much I pain in my eyes. When the lights don't low, from them kill Kyle in my mind. So my life turn rough, so much I tie me up shy. But it
hold on, this one cut off him here, dog. Wait, me just realize the split. Dog cut off him here. Alright. No, dog cut off him here. Oh, the blood split. That's a long time. Let's see this one then. Watch me
up shy, but it not fi happen. Run up on me. Fully rapping, pulling with ease when me squeeze that trigger happen.
Yeah.
Be man and skinnies plus key alarm.
Yeah.
Fifth gen in a me jeans, money in a pocket. So get to you.
It's Swan Dan, dinner.
Rough so much I tie me up shy, but it not fi happen. Run up on me.
Fully rapping,
pulling with ease when me squeeze that trigger happen. Free be man and skinnies plus key alarm. The fifth gen in a me jeans, money in a pocket. So get to you to rocket.
Yeah, hear the man flow, dog. Gonna hear the man flow. Swan Dan.
Run up on me, fully rapping. Pulling with ease when me squeeze that trigger happen. Free be man and skinnies plus key alarm. The fifth gen in a me jeans, money in a pocket. So get to you to rocket. No we bossed. Can't stop it, kick off like rocket. Lie money in a me.
Stop it, kick off like rocket. I want to listen to the man, but the man is spitting. How you going to
squeeze that trigger happen? Free be man and skinnies plus key alarm. The fifth gen in a me jeans, money in a pocket. So get to you to rocket. No we bossed. Can't stop it, take off like rocket. Diamond in a me ring, just show mommy. Remember me was young watching Teletubbies. Life so funny.
Diamonds in a me ring, show mommy. Remember me the young watch Teletubbies. Go on through now, one man money on the floor. Go on through.
System funny.
Yeah, bill him thing and the thing bill up. I want to know man. Go on through.
Play without no money. Next day from your rise, here be flooding. There with the dogs, you know we say we outside. If you violate family, you know we alright. Run up and we keep the 40 pound side. If we meet with the ups, you know we smoke the pan side.
Oh, this is fire, bro. This is fucking fire, my G. No cap. This is fire, gang. No cap. Oh my God, Swanny, go on through, talk to me.
The dogs, you know we say we outside. If you violate family, you know we alright. Run up and we keep the 40 pound side. If we meet with the ups, you know we smoke the pan side. The family outside, we outside. If you violate family, you know we alright.
To evaluate family, you know we alright. 40 pound side.
There with the dogs, you know we say we outside. If you violate family, you know we alright. Run up and we keep the 40 pound side. If we meet with the ups, you know we smoke the pan side. There with the family outside, we outside. If you violate family, you know we alright. Run up and we keep the 40 pound side. If you buck up the ups, you know we smoke the pan side. This life is
my youth. Yeah, we outside. You run up on family, you know we alright. Run up on we got the 40 pound side, buck up in the apps, you know a smoking pan side. Swandan. Don't look me now. Me sound effects them. Me need to sit about my sound effects them. Let's get it.
We outside, if you're violent family, you know we alright. Run up and we keep the 40 pound side. If you buck up, we up, say no, we smoking pan side. This life ain't easy. Street life, not easy. So much things that we deal with, but still we hustle for weekends.
Mad. What do you mean, man? Go and do your thing.
Street life, this life not easy. This life not easy.
One show.
Mr. Come rolling. Father protect me from them, coming no bad mind, them broken.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Father protect me from them, coming no bad mind, them broken.
Protect me from them, coming no bad mind, them broken. Frustrated. None official, me know them can't beat me. That's why me keep the gun up on me.
Well, if you know can't beat me out, I want to. What you?
Frustrated.
Yes.
None official, me know them can't beat me. That's why me keep the gun up on me. Trust me, it's sure if you're ready for it. That's like it off in the liquor pussy. I the moon that shut them over by.
Yes, man. Boy, this is fire. Swandan. We outside. I'm with the family, you know we alright. Run up and got the 40 pound side. Rock up the apps, you know we smoking pan side. We outside. Woo. Hey, Swandan, bro. Hey, man, Swandan different. You know what I'm saying? That boy different, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. Y'all already know what time it is. If you like it, show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say y'all the dancing. As you know what I say, gang? For sure. Swandan. Yeah, man, keep doing your thing, gang. Yeah, man, definitely the best. One of the best, if not the best, out of Trinidad, gang. As you know what I say, I know no thing about that one day. No cap. But yeah, man, what I do though? You see me I say, back with the bangers, them, you know. More bangers pound the head tap and play with them. You see me I say? Yeah, round the clock. But yeah, I'll be doing lives, we'll be gaming live, pull up on the live, man. Trying to do something different on the live stream. You see me I say, coming with some entertainment and all that good stuff. I might come back with updates, live updates and them things. I might try to think on the live. You see me I say, if you're into games and all that stuff, pull up, show some love, support. Alright. Trying to get into the streaming. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys some more.
I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm from a shutter selector boy.